Well, this week, drug maker Pfizer announced their COVID-19 trial vaccine is 90% effective.
Yeah, big news, and it's based on early and incomplete reports, but it is giving health officials a big boost of optimism. Now, we spoke with one doctor from OHSU about the vaccine. He has spent the last 20 years working to develop an AIDS vaccine. He explains that while the news from Pfizer is promising, it doesn't mean a vaccine is imminent. Officials warn the virus will continue to spread. They ask people to maintain safety guidelines until a vaccine can be distributed.
And the announcement of Pfizer's vaccine results yesterday sent stocks skyrocketing. Things are off to a positive start again today as we take another live look at the Dow this morning, currently up in its first hour.
Yep.
The vaccine, along with the election, has given markets around the world a boost over the past few days, as we've seen again today.
But just as we've seen in 2020, it can still be very volatile. Now, joining us live to help us make sense of this all is Daniel Rogers. He's an associate professor at Portland State University's School of Business. Thanks for joining us, Daniel.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, and so a bunch of things have impacts on the stock market. And let's first talk about the election. What are you seeing as a result of that? We've still got this kind of turmoil happening with President Trump not conceding. What kind of impact has it had so far?
And truthfully, last week's activity, really, the market has the sense that there will be a resolution. And it'll be pretty clean. And yeah, it's not surprising that there's legal challenges, but overall, last week was pretty steady and upward, sensing that really the markets hate uncertainty. And they felt like there was enough certainty that there was going to be a clear outcome, that it will be resolved reasonably soon. I mean, obviously, legal challenges notwithstanding, it's, I think there's this clear sense that, yeah, we're going to have a winner. It's going to be known. We're not going to have a repeat of 2000, if you remember, kind of like the long protracted battle over Florida. It doesn't look like we're going to have anything with respect to that.
Mm-hmm. Well, given that the markets, often do not favor uncertainty, were you anticipating any different kind of outcome if the president had been reelected versus President-elect Joe Biden getting elected?
Truthfully, the financial markets do look at President Trump as a little bit of a wild card. In one sense, there are certain business-friendly policies, such as lower taxes that we saw a few years ago, lower regulation that would provide a boost to stock prices. But at the same time, he's also gone after things like trade issues, restricting free trade, which the stock market doesn't like because it restricts global economic activity. So how the markets would have taken a Trump win, we got a little sense of that on last Tuesday night after the market closed, when it was starting to look like things were breaking a little bit for Trump. The futures markets started moving downward, but then that was a very short-lived phenomenon. So truthfully, maybe things would not have been as positive if Trump was appearing to win the election. But that's pure speculation on my part.
Yeah. Well, what about this vaccine news yesterday? Because that seemed to have a huge impact on how well the stocks did yesterday.
Well, let's face it. Stocks are they're governed by long-run influences, and the sooner we can get our economy back to something more resembling a normal situation, that'll be good for stocks. Now, what was really interesting yesterday was the wide disparity in individual company performance. So all told, the market was up pretty strongly yesterday, but some of the bellwether stocks like Amazon, some of the kind of classic COVID stocks, Amazon, Zoom, what we're using right now to do this interview, Zoom video, took big hits yesterday. Meanwhile, like the airline stocks were up tremendously yesterday. So really there's a bit of repricing going on in the markets to reflect kind of perhaps an expectation of a return to normalcy. As you all pointed out, we may be a ways away from a vaccine, but really in the broad scheme of things, the more confident the markets are that a vaccine is coming, whether it comes, earlier in 2021, somewhat later in 2021, the timing isn't as important as whether that vaccine gets out there and actually works.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what timeline actually plays out. Daniel, thank you for joining us this morning. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.